Slowly bring your awareness back to where you are sitting. And thank yourself for taking out time for being intentional and kind to yourself. For taking out time for being kind to yourself. And when you are ready, yes, when you are ready, you can gently open your eyes, appreciate yourself, and be kind to yourself. And practice self-compassion. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Garima. It was very nice of you. Beautifully, you have conducted this meditation.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, parents, it's tough times, we all are going through this. This is our effort to show you one aspect of life, to introduce you to one aspect of life. It is being said that society is a reflection, school is a reflection, society gets reflected in school. It's a miniature society. And we groom our children, we train our children for this society. And if we want a better society, we have to contribute to it. Being a part of society, we have to contribute to it by little changes here and there. We always say that people should do, people should contribute, someone else should do that. But why not us? Why can't we contribute? Why can't we change a little bit in ourselves and contribute to the society? It is for our children, isn't it? And when we talk about change, it is always better and advisable that the change to start from us. This COVID-19 is a crisis we all are going through. But in this crisis, we have to see, we have to look for the opportunities. Never ever before we have spent, today is the day when Janta curfew was implemented. It's been 160 days. And we have been spending this time with our loved ones 24/7. Unimaginable. We have always been complaining that we don't get time to spend with our loved ones. We don't get time, quality time we were talking about. So we are gifted with this. And this time has compelled us to ponder upon various aspects, various components, various attributes of our personality. Not only our personality, but also our spouse, our children personality as well. If we really, put in chat box, if you really want to have, you really feel that you can contribute positively to the society. Put in chat box, I want to see you are active. Once a teacher, always a teacher. Put in chat box here, if you feel that you can contribute to the society. I want to see the chat box moving. Yes. Yes. If you really think you can contribute to the society positively, please put in chat box yes. Okay, so thinking process has started. Very good. I'm seeing the chat box. Thinking process has started. So if we really think we can contribute to the society, which our children are going to get benefited by, then that thought has to go into our action. Then only our children will have a good childhood and a better adulthood. And it has to start from us, as we are saying. So the action has to be there. And today, parents, you're this baby step, you are registering for this session, your presence in this session itself says that you are ready to take action. So, with this, I welcome the speaker of this session, Dr. Mona Gujral. She is the author of the book Raising a Mindful Parent. She is a parenting coach. She is a trainer. And being a doctor has given her an opportunity to influence parents and students' lives for better. I'm very sure that through this session, she is going to touch our lives too, and going to help us becoming a better and better parent. Dr. Mona Gujral, we are thankful to you for being with us today, and over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning, good morning, everyone, and good morning, Principal Ma'am. And thank you so much for the wonderful introduction and for this wonderful session. So, before I start, this is the WhatsApp एक message आ रहा था, the question of the year. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I? Yes, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. So let me start my presentation. Yes. So is this visible to everyone? Another question.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes. Right. So, yeah, audible or visible, they are the question of the year. So we can't help it but ask them. Right.
So true.
So, सबसे पहले, I would like to congratulate each and every parent who's present here. Congratulations for taking such an important step for your children. So this shows कि early Saturday morning आप अपना 1 घंटा निकालकर आप ये webinar join करने आए हैं. This shows how much you care for your children and how much you want the betterment of your children to happen. So congratulations everyone. Please give yourself a round of applause. And another congratulations to the school. For creating such a beautiful platform. Mindful parenting program is such a beautiful program. It shows the school is so much concerned about the community and so much concerned about the welfare of all the students. So they are taking such an important step. So congratulations to the school also.
Thank you, ma'am.
And let us thank you, ma'am. So let us start with the presentation today. Today's topic is the importance of emotional transformation in children. So I'll put it in the slideshow mode. Yes. So the topic is importance of emotional transformation in children. तो सब पूछेंगे कि इमोशनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का व्हाई इन चिल्ड्रन. जब बच्चे तो बहुत छोटे होते हैं, हमें क्या जरूरत है बच्चों में इमोशनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाने की. मगर वी एज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स वी आर ऑल मेड अप ऑफ इमोशंस. वी आर 100% मेड अप ऑफ इमोशंस. इवन नॉट इवन ओनली एट होम, घर पे हम जो भी डिसीजंस लेते हैं घर पे विद इन आवर पर्सनल लाइफ एंड विद आवर रिलेशनशिप्स, दे आर ऑल बेस्ड ऑन इमोशंस. बट जो हमारे ऑफिस में भी डिसीजंस होते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन इमोशंस. Just to show you that, I will, just give you a quick example of an office situation. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग, you must be in business or you must be in a job, और आपने कभी ना कभी लोगों को हायर जरूर किया होगा. तो एक सिचुएशन है कि आपके पास 2 लोग आते हैं, कैंडिडेट ए एंड कैंडिडेट बी. सो दोनों का सेम क्वालिफिकेशन है. मान लीजिए दोनों ने इंजीनियरिंग किया है, उसके बाद MBA किया है, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस भी सेम है, 5 से 7 साल दे वर्कड इन सम वंडरफुल कंपनीज एज अ टीम लीड एवरीथिंग. तो अब आप इन दोनों में से किसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे? इफ आई कैन हैव सम आंसर्स फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? आप इनमें से ए और बी में से जब उनकी सब क्वालिफिकेशन ठीक है तो आप किसको, सेम है तो आप किसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे? इफ आई कैन हैव सम आंसर्स प्लीज. नेक्स्ट इज आइडेंटिफाई सम मूड बूस्टर्स फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. So mood boosters is same कि अगर the child is feeling very sad about something or very गुस्सा आने वाला है, पता है कि the child is about to react, कि आपको दिख रहा है कि आपका बच्चा करने वाला है, tell your child mood boosters, right? Mood boosters can be something, loud music लगाया and you start dancing, or probably you go out for a run, you spot jog on one place, you can do some skipping on one place. एक जगह पे खड़े हो गए, अगर आप ये कुछ एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं, they will instantly lift your mood. So why it happens, because when we do any of these activities जो मैंने आपको चार्ट, these are cardio exercises in a way, and then they release some hormones which are known as endorphins. And endorphins are, they stabilize your mood, they put you in a happy mood and calm you down. So immediately the mood changes. The fifth point is have a calm down kit for your child. So whenever the child is feeling emotions ठीक नहीं लग रहे हैं, बच्चों को गुस्सा आ रहा है, बच्चे बोर हो रहे हैं, बच्चे लड़ रहे हैं एक दूसरे से, so just encourage them to have this kit. Calm down kit में क्या होगा? या तो it can be a painting kit, whatever the child likes. It can be a painting kit. It can be probably sculpture बनाने के लिए कुछ, origami का कुछ हो सकता है, music हो सकता है, painting हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, whatever the children like. So these 5 points I would like कि अगर आप अपने बच्चों की रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में आप इनको यूज करना शुरू कर दीजिए हमेशा, so the children know that वो इमोशनल हटने का आएगा ही नहीं, मौका ही नहीं आएगा where there is a sudden outburst of emotion. So then they know how to calm their emotions in a socially acceptable manner. And last, this is a box method. This is a very, very important method. The box method hai, and this box is a guardian angel box. So one question, I hope aap so nahi gaye hain. I hope that it wasn't so boring. So one question for all the parents. बच्चों के guardian angels कौन होते हैं? The last question this will be. If I can have some answers. Who are the guardian angels of the children? Any guesses? Absolutely, absolutely. So everybody has written parents, absolutely right. Right, so this is a method कि आप बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही cute सा सुंदर सा box लाइए and every day encourage your child, क्योंकि रोज कुछ ना कुछ life में होता है which they feel it is out of control for them, right? So write it on a piece of paper and उनको एक practice बनाइए कि रोज रात को सोने से पहले बच्चे अपनी प्रॉब्लम को उस पे पेपर पे लिखेंगे और इस बॉक्स में डाल देंगे, राइट? और बॉक्स में डाल के जस्ट टेल देम टू प्रे दैट प्लीज माय गार्डियन एंजल्स टेक केयर ऑफ माय प्रॉब्लम. सो दिस विद दिस प्रेयर दे कैन पुट इट इनसाइड द बॉक्स. तो इससे 2 फायदे होंगे. नंबर 1, व्हेन द चाइल्ड स्लीप्स यू कैन ऑब्वियसली रीड इट. सो व्हेन यू रीड इट यू नो व्हाट इज गोइंग रॉन्ग विद द चाइल्ड, कि बच्चे के मन में क्या चल रहा है, क्योंकि बच्चा प्रॉब्ली कुछ बच्चे नहीं बोल सकते हैं, तो आपको पता चलेगा बच्चे के मन में क्या चल रहा है. और इन केस देयर इज समथिंग गोइंग रॉन्ग दैट यू कैन सी, यू कैन फिक्स दैट प्रॉब्लम. सो नंबर 1 इज दैट. नंबर 2 इज कि व्हेन यू राइट समथिंग, सो जब भी आप कुछ लिखते हैं वो आपके सिस्टम से बाहर चला जाता है. और स्पेशली बच्चे इतने मासूम होते हैं दैट व्हेनेवर दे राइट समथिंग दैट विल एक्चुअली फ्लो आउट ऑफ देयर सिस्टम. सो इन अ way they are getting rid of that problem. So these 2 बहुत important फायदे हैं ये writing के. And इसके साथ I would also like if you can make your children have a diary, a journal where they can write things for themselves. जो भी अपने thoughts लिख सकते हैं. That also helps in emotionally making them very stable. So this box method is very nice. So please practice that with your children and make it a habit. और जिस दिन कोई नई प्रॉब्लम है उस दिन सिर्फ एक थैंक यू गार्डियन एंजल्स लिख के भी बच्चा चिट डाल सकता है, बट दैट पैटर्न शुड नॉट ब्रेक, इट शुड कंटिन्यू एवरी डे, राइट? सो विद दिस आई थिंक वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ द वेबिनार एंड आई विल लीव यू विद अ कोट. द कोट इज रेज योर चिल्ड्रन सो दैट दे डू नॉट हैव टू रिकवर फ्रॉम देयर चाइल्डहुड. This is one quotation which I really love, and it is there in my book also. It is there in my prescription pad also, and I want as many parents to, know that the depth behind it. This is the way we have to raise our children, so that उनको अपना childhood हमेशा beautiful memories रहे. कोई ऐसे point ना हो जिससे उसको हम अभी वो correct कर रहे हैं. So thank you so much for this, being very patient and listening to me. I hope you like the points and the presentation given, and may you all have a lovely bond with your children. Thank you.
Wean away from this reward system gradually.
From the reward system, so yes, on a day-to-day basis, it is the reward can be. ये मैंने आपको कहा था, the some chores that you want the child to do. Obviously, as it is our house, we have to do the things. This we have to get inculcated in the child. But बच्चे जब बाहर जाएंगे, they will do some work. Everybody, we are going to office and we get some salary at the end of the day. That is a kind of a reward, right? So ये हम थोड़ा है जो हम बच्चों के अंदर inculcate कर सकते हैं. I mean, they will not get any reward for making their bed. Obviously, उनका अपना घर है, वो नहीं करेंगे. खाना खा के बर्तन उठा के रखे हैं, उसके लिए रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिल रहा है बच्चों को. बट येस, इफ दे डू समथिंग, अगर आपने उनको कहा है कि मेक अ नाइस, जैसे आई सेड, आई गिव एन एग्जांपल दैट यू आर कीपिंग द चाइल्ड बिजी एंड आस्किंग देम टू मेक अ पेंटिंग कंपटीशन में जाएंगे, आपको मिलेगा, रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा. सो यू विल से कि यस, इफ यू डू दिस, इफ यू प्रॉबेबली आपने कुछ अपना होमवर्क किया है और समथिंग लाइक दैट, सम चीजें हैं जो थोड़ा अलग, आउट ऑफ द रूटीन, उनके लिए रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा.
So naturally, which features? Yeah.
बर्तन उठाने के लिए और बेड बनाने के लिए, yes, इन चीजों के लिए रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलेगा. These are what we have to do as a human being. These are the good habits that you have to inculcate. These are not for reward.
So I think what you are trying to tell us is that we have to be little conscious and we have to be mindful when we tell them that you will get a reward. Isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you
It is
for
not for
sharing.
everything.
Thank you.